Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, peace right here. So today I'll be making a requested video. Many people have been requesting me to show them how we make groundnut paste. So this is how we make it in our area, because different areas make it in different ways. So if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. So let's start. I'll start by preparing the groundnuts. I'll put them in the saucepan and then roast them without salt. I'll then set it aside to cool for about 3 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and pour it in the mortar and start pounding. After a few minutes, the peanuts will now start breaking into smaller pieces. Then you just keep on pounding because it keeps on breaking into smaller pieces until you get the fine paste that you're looking for. A few minutes later, you can now notice the difference. At this stage, the groundnuts have turned into powder, but then we shall keep on pounding until we get a fine paste, and then it will start producing oil. So you can now see our groundnuts have started forming chunks, and when those chunks come, you just know that you are about to reach your desired goal of forming a paste. Right now I'm done pounding, so I'll scoop little by little and put in a container. In a saucepan of boiling water, I'll go ahead and put in the groundnut paste, but you can use cold water, it works just as well. Then I'll add in salt and onions. I'll then give it a quick stir and then cover and let it come to a boil. In a few minutes, the groundnut paste has already dissolved in the water. Oh my God, just look at that. This really looks yummy. I like how it brings out its own oil. So there is no difference between store-bought and homemade groundnut paste. It all comes out the same. When it's ready, it all brings out that oil. Hope everyone who requested for this video has enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, share this video, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.